What is it? What's going on outside with the weather?
Raining and light-ling and Dunder. Not light-ling. Yeah. Just Dunder.
So, Melina, didn't you want to ask Sophie something about how she was saying thunder?
No. I was saying Dunder.
What about lightning? What about lightning?
Oh, there's no lightning.
Do you think there's lightning?
She saw one, and I saw all of them.
Can you say lightning?
Light-ling.
Here. Sophie blew it with a Can you blow a kiss, Sophie? Not your hot burp breath. Can you blow a kiss?
I just farted.
Oh, I thought you were being sweet girls, blowing kisses. Okay, something stinks. Something is smelly.